In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a new row after each row in Google Sheets. This might seem like a daunting task at first, but with a few simple steps, you'll be able to accomplish this in no time. Let's dive right in. First, open up your Google Sheet. If you're working with a specific sheet, make sure you have it open and ready. This method is going to help you format your spreadsheet quickly. Once you have your Google Sheet open, navigate to column F. In this column, type the numbers 1, 2, and 3 in cells F1, F2, and F3 respectively. These numbers act as a starting pattern that will enable us to autofill a sequence down the column. Highlight the cells F1 to F3 by clicking and dragging over these cells. You'll notice that the cells are selected. Now, it's time to autofill to extend this sequence. Position your cursor at the bottom right corner of the cell F3 until you see the small blue square known as the autofill handle. Click on this square and then drag it down to cell F21. This action will autofill the sequence, creating a repeated pattern down the column. Next, you're going to enter a formula to create a sequence in the remaining rows. In cell F22, input the formula sauce sequence 21. This formula helps establish a continuous sequence of numbers. After typing the formula, simply hit the Enter key. Now, switch over to column E. We're about to clear this column to make it ready for its next use. Click on the header of column E to select the entire column. Once selected, right-click and choose the Delete Column option. This will remove any existing content or format in column E, making it ready for our upcoming steps. With that done, you're going to select your entire sheet so that the sort options can be applied correctly. Press Ctrl+A on your keyboard. This will highlight every cell in your spreadsheet. Next, head over to the toolbar at the top of the page and click on Data. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, choose the Sort Range option. This is where the real magic happens. Within the Sort Range menu, look for Advanced Range Sorting options and select it. This gives you more control over how the sorting is done. In the Sort By field that appears, click and select column E. By informing Google Sheets that we want to sort by column E, we can manipulate the placement of the rows effectively. Finally, click on the Sort button. By sorting based on your new sequence, you'll see that a new row is inserted after each existing row in your original data. And there you have it. You've successfully managed to insert a new row after each existing row in your Google Sheet with these simple steps. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide was helpful in organizing your spreadsheets efficiently. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on managing your digital tasks.